So, welcome to HoverStar. This is the Aquajet Dive H2 professional series for recreational use and for professional use. This device can go 5.6 miles per hour on 3 gears. It's very simple to use. 65 feet or 20 meters. Has a control power board here. You can see its voltage, you can see its time percentage remaining. It's about 15 kilos in weight, and it has a technical diving aspect to it. This has been circulated throughout Southeast Asia and the United States and the European Union. We have multiple reviews on the device, but mostly they think it's cool. And that's why we like the device too, because it's cool. It helps you swim. It doesn't replace swimming, but it helps you swim. Furthermore, it's affordable. If you go online and look for water scooter, I encourage you to go look at people that we contend with or that we assimilate. Water scooters out there today are approximately $5,000, $10,000. We retail at about $1,299. We appeal more to the recreational user. So if you're a professional, yes, we invite you. But if you're like mom or dad or son or friend and you just want to go to the beach, this is a great device for you to use. And these wings break off, so you can actually separate these wings, put them in a backpack and put the device with it and go to the water.